to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make the braised Shanxi lamb shank. When I grew up, my family makes lamb shanks but without a bone, so today I have this recipe with bone in. I prefer it because it's much tender and nicer and it's grass-fed. In this recipe, I use 4 pieces of lamb shank with bone in and 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 pound of small Yukon gold potatoes, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 piece of ginger about 1 inch and thinly sliced with the skin on, 5 cloves, 1 tablespoon of star anise, and 2 tablespoons of corn oil, 1 cup of brandy, whiskey or Shaoxing wine. First, bring the water to a boil in a large cast iron pot. Add the lamb shank and blanch for about 10-15 minutes, and the lamb shank will change color. Then transfer the shank to a plate. Add 2 tablespoons of oil over the medium heat. Add the ginger, onion, star anise, and cloves. Sauté the onion until soft, and you also can smell the aroma of the spice. Add the blanched lamb shank, brandy, and soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Then cover the lid very tight. Bring the shank to a boil, then turn the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 2 hours. Turn the shank every 30 minutes so every piece of meat will covered with sauce and until the meat is tender and finished. In the meantime, I use another pot. Bring the water and 1 tablespoon salt to boiling and cook the potato until soft. Strain the sauce and discard the solid. Spoon out the fat and save the juice. I like to serve the dish with potatoes and the coconut mung bean rice or cauliflowers. I like to keep this dish very light, not a lot of salt, to reserve the natural flavor of the lamb and the potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.